been established in 1999, and as we speak, we celebrate the 20th anniversary of our company this year. From a point of view of our vision of our company, I'd like to say that we are dedicated to providing peace of mind through a world-class Takaful insurance solution. That's what we aspire, and that's the vision of our company. If you cast your eye on the map on the screen there, we have over 35 branches throughout the country, some branches based in head office. We operate both the life and the general business in Sri Lanka. You know that we started off with 20 employees 20 years ago. Now we have over 220 employees in the company, full-time employees in the company. And I'm proud to say that one of our values is diversity. Diversity, ethnic diversity, diversity, gender diversity, and you know, we have mother on board. We have, if you take a walk around the organization, 40% of my colleagues are people who don't belong to the Islamic faith, but they are people who subscribe to the Takaful system. Equally, 40% of my revenue comes from the non-Muslim customers in our market. So the embracing of the Takaful concept across the length and breadth of the land has been very rewarding for us. And we've been able to gain some level of traction. At the end of last year, the company's turnover was 2 billion rupees. There are 13 players in the market. We are one of them. 4 players own 70% of the market. They take 70% of the market. The rest of the 9 players have the balance share in the market, and we operate within that. If you ask me about the Takaful concept, all I'd like to say, and we have that up there? Yeah. It's really a cooperative system of joint guarantee, unlike the conventional insurers. And we believe that interest is forbidden, so is excessive uncertainty and gambling. Those are 3 things that we don't subscribe to in our business. So the Takaful concept is basically on how we underwrite the risks of our patrons, people who are here, and we do call them participants. We are different to conventional insurance because in the Takaful concept, the participants become party to the risk pool. So they're aware, let's help somebody in times of when they get into distress. That's what it is. Unlike conventional insurance, you pass on the risk. We share the risk as a joint guarantee. So that's a cardinal principle. Yet another principle is that when the risk pool, which insurance is all about claims, when it is in surplus, the trustees of the risk pool, who are the board of directors, will award a surplus to non-claimant customers. So if I do subscribe to a policy in the company and I do not make a claim, and if the risk fund is in surplus, then there is a proportionate refund that goes to it. And that's the cardinal principle. And that's different to no claim bonus and all the rest that the industry offers. So we are unique in that concept. So really, it's about guaranteeing each other. That's what the Takaful business is about. Also in the diagram out there, you see, we look at sustainability of communities, right? If you look at the Sri Lankan market, a large number of people do not have access to financial services. So we have an array of micro products which we place to those needy sectors of the market to bring them in to the financial ecosystem in the country. So we've been able to gain some traction in those areas, and I think that is something that increasingly we are working, and we've been able as a young company to be able to innovate products. All these products are researched, they are surveyed, and we bring people into focus groups, and it is according to their wishes that we craft these products. So that's in a nutshell